Best export settings for Capcut PC. First, make sure your project is ready to go. Once you're happy with your edits, head over to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Export. Click on it. Now, this is where the magic happens. You'll see several options here. Let's break them down one by one. First, choose your resolution. For most platforms like YouTube or Instagram, 1080p is the standard. But if you want even higher quality, you can go for 4K. Next is bitrate. The higher the bitrate, the better the quality. But keep in mind, it will also result in a larger file size. I would suggest using the recommended option. After that, it's codec. I recommend sticking with H.264 for encoding. It's the most widely supported format and offers a good balance between quality and file size. Next is the format option. MP4 is the most popular and acceptable format on the internet, so that should be your first choice. Lastly, frame rate. Stick to 24 fps or 30 fps for a cinematic feel. But if your video involves a lot of action, 60 fps is a great option. Once you are happy with your settings, click Export. So that's how you can export high quality videos in Capcut for PC. Thanks for watching.